வெல்கம் டு Sagalai with Ragalai. இதுவரைக்கும் எங்கள் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. எங்களோட லேட்டஸ்ட் வீடியோஸை உடனே தெரிஞ்சுக்க பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். Today we are going to make Paneer Momos. I am going to heat the kadai with coconut oil. After the oil gets heated up, I am adding the chopped garlic. Stir it well. After the garlic slightly changes its color, add the grated ginger, which I have added previously. The grated ginger by nature tends to stick to the kadai, so stir it well. Now add the chopped onions. Stir it well. Stir it well. The onions changes its color. After the onions get transparent, add the chopped cabbage, chopped red bell peppers, and chopped green capsicum. Continue stirring the veggies. Cook them in medium flame for 5 minutes. Do not overcook the veggies. The crunchiness from them has a very good taste. Now add the boiled sweet corn and stir it well. Now add some salt according to your taste. Stir it well. Now close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Now the veggies are cooked well. I am adding the homemade paneer. If you want to know how to make paneer at home, click the link on the top of this video. Stir it well and cook the paneer for 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add some black pepper powder and stir it well. The stuffing for the momos are ready now. Now take the small amount of wheat flour dough. Start by rolling the dough like a chapati. To get a perfect round shape, I am using this to press on the dough. Remove the excess one. Now take this on your palm. Now take some amount of stuffing that we made and place it in the center. Start by pleating the momos as I do. Make it very slowly. Now the momos are ready to be steamed. I am taking the idli steamer. Add drops of oil to the plate and spread it evenly. Doing this will not make the momos to stick it to the plate. Place all the prepared momos on each plate. Place it inside the steamer and cook for 7 to 8 minutes on medium flame. Meanwhile, we are going to make the sauce for the momos. Place the kadai on the stove and pour 2 tablespoons of groundnut oil. After the oil gets heated, add the chopped big onions. Cook the onions till it gets transparent. Stir it nicely. Add some salt while cooking the onions. After the onions are cooked well, add the garlic paste made from 7 to 8 garlic. Stir it well. Stir it well and cook till the raw smell of garlic goes. Now add the tomato puree and cook well for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder to get the nice red color. Stir it well. Add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Stir it well. Cook till the sauce thickens. Now the sauce for the momos are ready. And the momos are ready to be served with this delicious sauce. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.